Hello everybody, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. I am filming on my tablet. I'm really excited because it seems really easy. We'll see how it goes. I've got to remember to look at the camera though because it's like over here-ish, which is a little strange. So if you see me kind of looking off to this direction, it's because I'm still getting used to it. But I am coming to you today because I have a package in the mail and I am really excited. I always do this with my fists when I'm really excited, like I'm 3 years old and I'm like, ah! But I am like legitimately really excited. So, I got this really pretty pink mailer in the mail today. I've already snipped the end off because these mailers can be a pain to open and I did not want to like be struggling with that and put you all through that on camera. But this came about because a subscriber reached out to me. She had watched my deck wish list video and had noticed that there's a deck that I want and that she also has, and I don't know why I'm being all sly because you're going to be able to tell by the description box of this video, or the title, probably, what I'm talking about. But anyways, she actually reached out to me because she had the borderless version of the Mystic Fairy Tarot, and I had the bordered version, and I really wanted the borderless. I don't really need 2 copies of the same deck. She missed her bordered version, her original bordered version, which I was like, who? You actually want borders? So it was a really exciting opportunity and we agreed to trade. So I sent her off my bordered version and she sent me her borderless version. So I'm assuming that's what's in here, but it feels a little chunky. I'm not gonna lie. So I think there's more in here than just the deck. So we will see. But as soon as I was like, oh, it's really full, I was like, I'm gonna open it on camera. So I can't stop grinning because I'm so excited. But anyways, there is, just when I reach in, there is like some kind of cute orange paper in here wrapping something up. So that's really exciting. I'm dying right now. And oh my god. Okay, hold on. So first of all, oh, I dropped the pretty purple. It's not like I can reuse it because I snipped it. But actually I might set it aside because I might be able to wrap something in it for shipping because it is all bubble wrappy, right? I could reuse that kind of bubble wrap. Also, I feel like there's grainy. It might just be I'm looking at my screen because I feel like there's like graininess. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Anyway, there is a card here, so I'm going to start there, and then I will show things. Oh my god. I am beside myself. I love opening stuff. It's like, I love opening stuff. One year for Christmas, I told Peggy that I just really love opening presents, and I don't really care what's in them. I just want to unwrap things. So do you know what she and my children did? Our children, her children, our children. They wrapped up lots and lots and lots of little packages, and they had spare change in there. That wasn't the only thing I got for Christmas, but they totally trolled me with this I just want to open stuff thing. And like I was like opening all these little presents and it'd be like 45 cents or 12 cents or like 3 random pennies or whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, so I did message with her a little earlier and I haven't heard back from her yet. There is a chance that one of the, she kind of spoiled it a little bit, which is totally fine. There's something in here that I may already have, and if that is the case, I've just reached out to her and asked. She mentioned that there may be something in the package that I already have, and I said, well, if that's the case, how would you feel about me doing a giveaway of an extra? So we will see how this goes. But first, look at this adorable freaking bag. It's like textured, and it looks like an envelope emoji, like a You've Got Mail emoji, and it is a, this is hilarious, this is an Ipsy bag, and I used to actually have an Ipsy subscription, and I love their little zipper pouches. They are actually great for tarot, but I have Peggy bags, so, you know. But this is super cute, and I will definitely be using this. This is so adorable. Looks like a little mail. It's so perfect for sending me something in the mail. And then she's wrapped it up in paper besides. I am so excited to have this. You guys just don't even know. that has been my one complaint about the Mystic Fairy this entire time is those dang borders. But if I'd have trimmed it, by the time I trimmed it, it would have had nothing left. And I just, yeah, oh, you guys. Oh, I am in love. And she had edged this deck too. She sent me a picture, but she edged it in like a perfectly coordinated color. I could not be more freaking thrilled. These cards are stunning, borderless. Oh my god, I'm just gonna swoon for a while. Look. Oh my god, look at this Queen of Cups. And the colors even seem more vibrant to me. It just amazed me. She said that she'd had the bordered version, and then I'll hold it over here. Maybe I'll remember to look in the camera and not just at the cards in the viewfinder, but She's, sorry, I'm just like in love with this deck all over again. She said that she had gotten the borderless version so that she could have the book, and then gave the bordered version, God, this card just, it's like it has new life for me now. She had given the bordered version away to a friend and she really missed it. She missed the borders. And I was like, what? This makes me so happy, you just don't know. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This was such a sweet and fun trade. Like, the fact that I got the same deck back, but border, I'm beside myself. And this is that, like, cardstock, like my, this is a little bit like the Tarot of the Hidden Realm, which, in case I have not said this on camera, I just have to say this. In case I have not said this on camera, somebody asked me about this. The box for the Tarot of the Hidden Realm says Tarot of the Hidden Realm. The book says Journey to the Hidden Realm. Now, this is not the first time that this has happened, because, like, we have the Marielle Tarot, and then I think the book is called The Landscapes of the Abyss or something like that. So it's not like it's unheard of to have a different name. Sorry, I should be showing you cards while I'm babbling at you. They do have, but anyways, random rant. But somebody said, are you sure? Because my box says Tarot of the Hidden Realm, and then the book says, I was like, no, I'm totally sure. And I was not sure. I was not sure. I was wrong. I was wrong. Oh my god. But I'm loving the sheen on these. And it's not like I'm a fan of glossy cards, but I think with this deck, I feel like it makes the colors feel much more vibrant. And this is actually a really interesting deck because the minor arcana each has a bit of a story that it tells throughout. Kind of like, you know how the Prismavisions, if you've seen that tarot deck, when you lay out the minors, they all make a scene. This doesn't do that visually, but you see the same characters going throughout each suit. And there is definitely, look at this devil. There is definitely a story being told for each suit. There's a specific sort of series of events that happen to the same characters. So it's a little fairy tale-ish in that way, I think. And while this still has a lot of, I mean, you can see even here, it has a lot of yellow. Where's that blue? I just saw a pop of blue that I just have to pull out and see. Oh, of course. It's my birth card. One of my birth cards, the star. I love, oh God. I'm swooning. I'm so happy. My face hurts. I am smiling so big right now. Okay, so I have to open up the other thing. I know what it is. I know what it is. So we'll have to see what she says. If she says it's good for a giveaway, then I will be putting it into my next giveaway, or putting mine. We'll see, because I think it's just going to be, we're just going to have to see. We're going to have to see. Okay, so I'm ripping open the paper. I probably shouldn't. Does that, like, offend people? When you give gifts and people, like, rip into it, I'm such, like, a rip kind of person. Like, I don't want to damage anything, so I'm careful that way, but I'm pretty irreverent about the actual wrapping materials, unless, you know, it's something that I should. Oh, look, it's even in a bag. Oh, my God. Yep, she did the same thing I did. Okay, so I haven't actually shown this on camera, but I think I mentioned it. This is the Crystal Tarot. Am I holding it right side up? Yeah. This is the Crystal Tarot, and it is trimmed. And it's funny because what I had done is I had been talking about how I wanted the Crystal Tarot in that same video, but that I would need to trim it. And sure enough, a little bit later, I saw a copy in my local metaphysical shop, and I picked it up, and I did trim it. It's so funny. Yeah, that's so funny. Oh, my phone is like making a noise. Sorry. These cards, the artwork in this deck is really sweet. Like, it's got a, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a stained glass kind of vibe. When you look at it up close, it's not so much stained glass as full of just lots of little, I don't know what the right word is for it. Lots of small symbols. It is a pip deck. Which is something that I don't mind since I am working with Marseille. And once it's trimmed, like, just to show you I'll show you a Mystic Fairy next to it. So this is the Mystic Fairy. I guess I should just pull up one card or it's going to look weird. Okay, so I'll use the backs. So this is the Mystic Fairy, full size. And then that's what the Crystal Tarot comes down to once it's trimmed. So there is a lot of border on that deck. And she trimmed hers, I believe, exactly the way that I trimmed mine. Yeah, exactly the way. Very, very cool. Oh, and I see what she did. That's really smart. So there's a couple in here where she's put a couple, like, some initials. I was like, what is that on the back? It says KP. It's because this is the King of Pentacles. And there are a couple where I could see it being a little bit not clear what it is. So here's another one. So we have this figure here, and she's holding a book, but it is the HP, the High Priestess. That's really clever that she did that. I didn't think to do that with mine yet. And I haven't really, to be fair, the one that I trimmed, I hadn't actually worked with it yet. Yeah, here's another one. And she's marked this one. This one is actually the Knight of Wands. She's put KW on the back. So basically, if it wasn't clear, she made a little, just a very simple note on the back with 2 letters. I think that's super smart, actually. Yeah, and here's the King of Wands. Same thing. Yes, because some of the royals in this one, the royals, yeah, you know what I mean. Some of the royals in this one might be a little bit less clear otherwise. Look at this hermit. Yeah, so pretty. Thank you so much. I am so excited. I am over the moon, completely over the moon about the Mystic Fairy, and thrilled to have this other trimmed copy of the Crystal Tarot. And we will see what she says about a giveaway. I've got mine I've edged, and hers is not edged. Or hers, it's mine now, unless I give it away. This one is not edged yet, so there will be one edge. I have one that's edged and one that's not edged, and maybe if she's cool with it, we'll do one as a giveaway. So that would be really cool. And I just want to do a quick card draw on this, see what comes up. What a fun thing! Yeah. I think that's probably one of the coolest things to come out of doing the YouTube, is just getting an opportunity to like connect with people and like do some trades and send some presents, and it's just been really fun. So really enjoy that. That's pretty great. So let's see. Oh gosh, so thrilled with these. Okay, give them a quick shuffle. Oh, they shuffle so nice. I just got a great bridge. Okay, let's see what a card is. Let's just pull one out and see what it says. The Four of Swords, rest, just a moment, a break from all the stuff, all the drama, just like, oh. This is neat. The sword suit in this tarot deck actually tells the story of a couple of girls who are responsible, fairies, who are responsible for tending a very special rose, and something goes wrong, and this is kind of tells how they deal with it throughout, and it's a pretty neat story. So, and I have the guidebook already. So yeah, this is pretty great. This is pretty great. Ah, okay. I'm so thrilled. I'm so thrilled. Okay. I better sign off of this. Oh, I left a card in the bag. Don't do that, Lisa. That's not good. Oh, and it's the 7 of Cups. Look how dreamy. Oh, helps if I actually put it on the camera. Look how dreamy she is. Oh. Sorry, I just totally checked out because I was staring at the card. Yeah, I am thrilled. So that was really super fun. And I'm gonna sign off now and go play with these. So thank you so much. And to everybody who's watching this, thank you. And I hope this was enjoyable to watch me be a total goof dork over opening stuff. I enjoy making these kinds of videos. In fact, I have another thing to unbox very soon. So anyways, have a great night, day. It's night for me here, but I will talk to you again very soon. I better get off here before I act any more dorky. Okay, good night all. Bye.